The Bayraktar TB2 is one of the most successful drone in service today, and by the end of year 2024 more than 600 drones are in service in 34 countries in the world. Bayraktar is one of the most successful medium-altitude long-endurance, male, unmanned combat aerial vehicle, UCAV, manufactured by the Turkish company Bayraktar Makina Sanayi ve Ticaret AS, primarily for the Turkish Armed Forces. The Bayraktar TB2 drone, developed by Turkey's Bayraktar, has emerged as the world's most exported drone in 2023, outperforming competitors from Israel, the United States, and other countries. The TB2 drone had completed 400,000 flight hours globally. The largest operator of TB2 drones is the Turkish military, but an export model has been sold to the militaries of a number of other countries. Turkey has used the drone extensively in strikes on Kurdistan Workers' Party, PKK, and People's Protection Units, YPG, targets in Iraq and Syria. Bayraktar drones were later deployed by a number of other nations around the world in various wars, such as by Azerbaijan in the Second Nagorno-Karabakh War, by the armed forces of Ukraine during the Russian invasion of Ukraine, as well as by the Ethiopian National Defense Force during the Tigray War. Bayraktar TB2 played a fundamental role in Turkey's development of a new military tactic and initiated a wave of change in modern military doctrines. It was accepted as the initiator of a new method of war by many military analysts and strategists, including the political scientist Francis Fukuyama. Turkey, Ukraine, Libya, Ethiopia and Azerbaijan are the major user of Bayraktar TB2. Turkey is a prime user of this UAV. Bayraktar TB2 unmanned combat aerial vehicle operated by 3-person at ground control station. The length of this UAV is 6.5 meter with wingspan of 2 meter and maximum takeoff weight is 700 kilograms. This can carry payload of 150 kilograms and powered by 1 times 100 horsepower, 75 kilowatts. Rotax 912 is internal combustion engine with injection, expected to be replaced by BM100 locally developed engine. 2-bladed propeller, variable pitch and fuel capacity is 300 liters. Fuel type is gasoline petrol. With maximum speed of 120 knots, this UAV have range 186 miles and service ceiling is 25,000 feet, operational altitude 18,000 feet with of endurance 27 hours. Bayraktar has not stated a price, but has republished on its website several news reports about crowdfunding campaigns launched in 2022 in Europe to buy Bayraktar UAVs for Ukraine, all of them fixing a goal of around $5 million United States dollars for the unit. That is around 1/6 of the price for the US-built Reaper UAV, albeit with the TB2 capable of carrying only 1/10 the payload of the Reaper. Gulf countries and European nations attracting towards Turkish weapons. Bayraktar signed the largest export agreement in defense and aviation in the history of Turkey with Saudi Arabia for $1.4 billion United States dollars in 2023. UAE company Edge signed an agreement in 2023 for joint production of drones. Biden administration banned supply of arms to both UAE and Saudi Arabia due to human rights violations charges. Recently, Turkish drone manufacturer Bayraktar has purchased Italy's Piaggio Aerospace, reflecting Bayraktar's growing global ambitions while marking a timely rescue for the troubled Italian aircraft producer. Turkish drone maker Bayraktar also finalizing a production partnership agreement with Italian defense and aerospace company Leonardo to enhance Europe's drone production capabilities.